Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came in another video, guys. So, as you see, guys, what we got here, that the daily candle, it's still going. Hasn't finished, but what it's indicating there, if we zoom it like that, let's zoom it together and see what the market doing now. The market is showing here a indecision candle, as you see it, that candle here, what it's indicating that a indecision candle, and that one it might, the market is going to make a small correction from that level here to the one here. And I tell you all those things before because you are here in a very stronger level, and today is Friday, the end of the week. So Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume in the market. There's only small investors there in the market because the big whales, today they go out from the market. So, but in Monday, there is the weekly candle is going to finish. So make a close at those things, me, I'm telling you. So till now, there is nothing. As I tell it to you, it's going to happen here a small candle, but everything and the decision for the Bitcoin is going to happen in 21 of September, guys, when the interest rate decision is going to come, because now there is nothing will move the market apart from that. So make a close at the eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Look with me, very, very clear, guys. Here in that place, what you see, because I saw that no one talking about it, because some channels, they got millions of subscribers, but no one of them talking about that. That's why us, we told you, us, we are professional people. That's the job of us. Us, we not waiting the others to say it, because I know myself, I'm going to say that, and the others, they are going to say that. But it's okay. Look here, what you see in here. Here, what you see, what the Bitcoin is trying to give you here. If you know that, write it down in a comment. That head and shoulder, guys. First shoulder, second shoulder, and that the head. It's not complete, yes. Where is the neck line? Is down here. If the Bitcoin breaking for you here, where are you going to see it? At 10K. That without doubt, guys. And let me to show you something happening every time for the picture to be more clear to you and everyone to understand what else we're talking about. Here the Bitcoin chart, and look with me very, very, very close here. We started here. What you see in here? A head and shoulder. Bitcoin it fall down till here. Here what you see? A head and shoulder. Bitcoin it falling down till here. Here what you see? A head and shoulder. Bitcoin it falling down till here. Now it formed for us a new head and shoulder, guys. As you see it, very clear here. Look at it. Here, like that, and like that. It's very, very simple and clear. That a head and shoulder. If it's breaking for you here, you calculate it like that, and you make it like that. That's what me I told you. And me, I got it exactly in his place, in 12K. And another thing, here, I'm going to show it to you. Look with me here and here. What you see? That's a triangle, guys. That one is a triangle. It's very, very simple and clear. And I'm going to show it to you, even that one. Here, look with me here. What happened here? And here is a triangle. When it's break it here, it move up. Yes or no? So the Bitcoin for the bull signal, it needs to break for you the triangle. For the bear signal, it needs to give you a head and shoulder. Even if we go back, we will find the same thing, guys. Even if we're going back here we used to have a very stronger triangle here. I do with that one, me I remember it very, 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 very well. Because me are internet. Here we used to have here a very stronger triangle like that. For a wage. Let's make it like that. Like that we used to have it. From that zone here and the one here. When it's breaking here. Then it went upward. Me I enter exactly from here. When it's breaking for me the last high here. Now what you see in here and even here down. Sorry. Here. What you see in here. You used to have here a triangle like that, guys. As you see it. Even here. Look at that. Also we go back very old, but all those things they work it every time. Look at it. Now it's going back to hours. Now guys. The Bitcoin either to break for us the lower of that head and shoulder, it's still for it more room to fall down. If it's break it, you're going to see the Bitcoin at 10K. And that the scenario got highly chance. And the other one is to come up and to break for you the up of that triangle here. That one, it's at 20%, but the highest chance to come down and to break for us lower here, and we're going to see the Bitcoin at 10K. And also we update you every day, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in our indicator, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos. We're analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here. And you, if you be a subscriber with us, help us by smashing the like button and write for us down a comment. Yes, when you're going to write a comment, it will be held for review because a lot of bots, they write in comments. That way us, we're making all the comments to be held. So you, if you are a normal person, whatever you said, we will accept your comment. So write for us a comment down because the comments, they helping us and they help YouTube algorithm to find for us other people they are interested about our content. So smashing the like and writing for us a comment, my friend. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. So as you see guys here, that our indicator, what it's saying here, you remember us, we got here that long-term trend. If you are new here, the one we've been followed from 2021. Every time he touched that line, he fall down. And the last time he came here, as you see it, he touches here, he fall down. Look where we are now. Now what the view to it in the coming days, guys. By the way, tomorrow and after tomorrow, there is nothing new. It will not happen nothing tomorrow and after tomorrow. So let's wait till Monday. So I think that one, the view to it to fall down till here, till the trend line here. Then after that, maybe it's going to make a small correction till here, but the view is going to fall down till here, till the oversold area, guys. Everything is very simple. You get the picture, and here what you got. Here, look with me. If you came here to that zone here, that one here, what you got. And even that one here, I don't want to go back to the past. Even that one here, what you see? If you came there and you draw it like that, a line like that, what you see? You are in a very stronger support, guys. As you see it here, here. Last time it came at peak here, then it go back there. Now you are in it again. Where is the next one? The next one you got, is it here? But those ones, they are just miners, that just for people they want to scalp or day trade. For long-term investors, not yet. It's still long time to fall down more, guys. Now, if you are an investor, my advice to you, just save capital. Make more cash at this time. Save the cash now. Waiting when it's going to be the right time to buy. When it's going to be the right time to buy, I'm going to tell it to you here in the channel. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when is it the right time, I'm going to tell it to you here. Now it's not yet, guys. Not yet, guys. I repeated thousands of times. Not yet, guys. Okay? Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, where we are here at the middle. Yes or no? And what is indicating to us there? Let's zoom it like that. What is indicating here in that zone? What is indicating to you? Look here what it's doing. It was going up, then he turning now down. Now what the view? It needs to fall down here to the oversold area again, and maybe to give us here a small divergence like that and like that, but that it need to that one to fall down more to break for us the lower of that neck here. If it's break it for us, you need to make a close eye at the lower of that peak here. Let me show it to you. The lower of the candles here, look at them here. Where is the last tail? It's being here at 17k, guys. Need to make a close eye at it at that level here at 17k. What is going to do? Till now you still have that stronger one here as you see it. If it's break it for you, make a close eye at that one, because maybe from that one is going to reverse like that. Then after that there is more falling, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what the market doing today in the 4 hours. By the way, did you smash the like button? Please go smash in the like button. Smash it now, my friend. You done it. Thank you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours nothing was changed. As I tell it to you before, we got here that flag, that one, and now we try to creating for us a small wage, but also we're still going down. As you see it, everything in front of you, a very, very clear flag here. If you go into lower time frames, you're going to see it very clear than here. And here, we still have here that level. Yeah, I showed it to you before. That one, you are in it. Market, he trying to break it now, but he couldn't. As you see it, let's zoom it. Here, what you see in, my friend. Here, what you see in there. In those candles here, what they showing. This tail showing here, big tails, as I tell it to you. But there is big volume in that red candle here. Look at it. It's indicating something here. What it's indicating? If you look in here and here, there is a divergence in the volume, guys. It's in front of you. Let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, the same thing. Nothing was changed. We touch here the top of the channel. Now we are so close to the lower of the channel here. But we still have here that level here, that yellow level. It's very stronger level. And the market couldn't break it high. So, and here every time it came back upward, what it's showing? It's showing a rejection from the top here, because even here you got a level and there is not big power to break higher. So I think we're still going down, guys. I told you till here, till 17, 880. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, what it's doing here in that zone, look at it, what it's doing here is so close to the divergence line, that one. But let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you, what it's indicating to you. If you see here in our indicator, that flag, it's very, very clear here, as you see it. Yes, there is not big momentum like how it's falling before here, but now we are too close to that trend line we draw it before in the divergence line. And now what we need to do is to wait in that one to come down more, maybe from here, from the trend line of the divergence, or that one here from the oversold area. We can take a long for small time frame to aim for 5% or 10%. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, as you see it, what it's doing here, it's very, very, very close to the oversold area. And even if we zoom it, let's see it together, what it's saying to us there, what it's telling us, guys. If you remember, if you see that point here, that point, it done it when it's breaking the oversold area, and we done it here before when it's changing the color. Now it started changing the color to the reds here, as you see it. It started entering here to the oversold area, our indicator. Now what that indicator of us is telling us, it's telling us now it started getting a signal to buy. Yes, us here, we are in a very stronger level, as you see it. But if you came here and you try to find a price action there in the chart, let's zoom it out like that. And we try to find here a price action. Did you see any price action here? No. Look with me very close, guys. See any price action here? No, there is no price action. Even if you came like that, what you got here? Here, if you came from here, from that zone here, like that, and like that. That triangle, is it in the daily? Yes. But here, there is no price action indicating for us the market is going to change its direction to go higher. Everything is too clear, guys. That's how us we analyzing for you guys. We analyzing for you live. There is no script, no nothing, no preparing the chart, no nothing. Us we just came, we analyzing for you live chart. So here, even here, if we zoom it, there is no price action there, indicating that the market is going to reverse. Even if our indicator, it started entering here to the oversold area, but there is no price action here. Here, there is that small wedge like that. If it's break it, that one is going to go higher till here or the till 200 moving average. Everything is too clear, guys. It's going now to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now, if there is a signal to buy or no. So let's go into 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, over here, look with me very, very close here. What the market giving you here? That's a triangle, guys. A very clear triangle. Before we used to have a flag, but now it gave us here a triangle. Yes or no? Yes. Very, very clear triangle. And even here, if you came here like that, and here in the top like that, what you seeing? Seeing here a consolidation level, guys. Look at it. It's enter in it. Because the market, look at it, how it's doing. It fall down sharp, it started slowing like that, then he enter in a consolidation level like that. Oh, let me show it to you. He do it like that, then it's slowing the momentum like that, then he will do like that, a straight line, like how is it now here in that zone. So those ones the phases of the market, guys. Now what the market will do in here, it might that one just rest in, then the market after that is going to drop more, or it might that rest in, after it is going to follow by a going higher, guys. Make a close eye those things me I'm telling you. So now you got here that triangle, that one. If it's breaking for you the high, you enter long the take profit here at the 200 moving average, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area, and here we told you you are in a very stronger level. We saw it in the 4 hours and here, and it give you here a triangle. So we're talking here about lower time frames, not long term investing or something. Also we're talking here about smaller time frames, about scalpers and day traders who want to take tomorrow and after tomorrow to take a trade till that level here, till the 200 moving average. So for those ones, if that one break high, you enter long, take profit of you, it need to be here at the 200 moving average. Stop loss of you put it down in that triangle here. Everything is too clear, guys. I will see you when the daily candle finishes. So that's it for today's video, guys. Bye for now.